Hey guys, hope you're all well. What I'm going to show you in this video is basically how to add matrices onto your CAS calculator. Hopefully the majority of you have got one. If you don't currently have a CAS calculator, you will need to source one, as we'll be learning like this all term. So it's pretty straightforward. What you need to do is all your work that will be done with matrices will be in menu, and then number 7 you'll see matrix and vector. That's where we'll be doing our matrix creations. So we're going to go create and matrix. You can see some of the types here, what we've done over the column, the 0, the identity. So if you go matrix, what you have here is you can essentially enter the dimensions of your matrix. So you can go, all right, 2 rows, 2 columns. Yep, that's fine. This will come up, and then you can just simply enter the elements that you need to. So say this one, and you can type along with me. We go 2, 3, -5, 1. Yep, if I enter that, nothing happens because it's just saving. It's just a matrix. A good little shortcut here is, as you know, a lot of the matrices will be defined as a variable. So what's a good idea is you can store your matrix as a letter. So if you need to type the matrix in again, you can simply enter that letter in. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go Control, and then this button here, VAR. What will come up is with a little arrow, and then you can simply type in the variable that you want to save your matrix as. So if you go A, then click enter, nothing will happen, but if you type in A again, that matrix will come up. So you're just saving that matrix as a variable, so you don't have to save it over and over again. If you wanted to add a second one, we'll do another 2 by 2. Let's say I want to save this one as B. All right, so now if I'm wanting to do any addition or subtraction, I can simply do it. So A plus B, and I get my answer. Or B minus A, again, I get my answer. Like we were talking about in the earlier video, if I had a third matrix saved with a different order, so let's say I go 3 rows, say this one is C. So if I want to go A plus C, it'll come up with a dimension mismatch, meaning that the order of the 2 matrices are different. The calculator hasn't recognized that, and therefore it won't let us add them. So that's how we save our matrices in and how we can perform operations with them.